Peace, people. Brother James, House of Healing Light, a higher frequency school of energy being. And I'm excited. I'm excited. Coming Thursday, November 8th, 8:30 p.m. We're doing our Abundance Circle class. And I'm excited because I was watching the People's Podcast and Dr. Iman Ali said something that really resonated with me. And she said that, if you want to do something, if you're trying to accomplish something, then you need to get on the frequency of that thing. That's paraphrasing. Now, what that means to me is that if you want abundance, then you got to get on the abundance frequency. And that's exactly what we're going to do this Saturday night. Now, I know you probably have other things you want to do, but I think in these situations and these times, we got to dedicate ourselves to taking on building our abundance. I think that has a little higher priority than, maybe going to the movies or what have you, because we're going to have the opportunity to have 6 to 8 different types of energy that help lead to and help us with abundance. Okay? I'm talking about some energy that deals with the mindset, deals with your mentality, some energy that deals specifically with prosperity and abundance, some energy that can help you with your emotional situations that may be hindering you, some energies that may just push you across that threshold. We ready to take that chance. You're ready to make that move and without any more delay. So just had to come on and tell you I'm excited. Let's get on this frequency, people. Let's get on this frequency so that we can get done what needs to be done. All right. So that we can now change the frequency that we're on, and we can change the frequency of our realities. That's right. Once you start learning how to master your energy, then there's nothing you can't accomplish. Okay? Because everything is based in energy. So if you can master energy, then you can master everything else. But you got to remember, you got to put the work in. You got to get your mind right. You got to achieve the unlimited abundance mindset. And we're going to talk about that too. We're going to get into that. So, family, let's make this happen, man. This is only $10. I understand that we're going through furlough situations. We know that contractors for the government have been affected by the shutdown. Everybody's being affected pretty much. Okay. So we went on ahead and made the class just $10. $10. Because we want everybody to come in. We want everybody to get the energy. And then we want you to work with it and start changing this thing around. It's time to cause the shift, the positive shift of the energies around us, within us, and around the world, around the planet. That's why we got Reiki Day here, because this class, the Abundant Circle, is a prelude to the big class. November 14th through the 17th, Reiki Day, the big class, World Synergy Abundance, where we will synergize each other's energy in the class and then tap into the world abundance energy. Okay? So I need you to go to Reiki Day. Go to reikiday.org, sign up for Reiki Day, and sign up for the class. And once you sign up for Reiki Day, you'll get the code that'll give you the 20% off of the class. That's right. We're trying to work, people. We're trying to get everybody involved, as many as we can, because the more people that get into the abundance energy, especially at the same time, then the stronger the signal is, the stronger the vibration is, the stronger that frequency is. And we can get more things done. So we need the collective. So spend some time with me this Saturday night, 8:30. Let's get on the frequency and then come to the big day, Reiki Day, where we have the days of prayer. We'll have the connection to the earth energy, mother and father earth, which is a very strong energy. Then we'll connect to the angels and the angels' energy, both, and bring them down. And then you'll be able to get your personal angelic team. Yes, believe it. I didn't make it happen. They brought it to me. They want to make it happen. They're ready to go to work and help change the world through us. And then there's so many other classes that's going to be available. So make sure you go reikiday.org, register, look at the classes, choose them. And once you get your registration email, you'll see how to get the discount on the classes. Okay? Come on, man. Let's see. Well, look, excuses is dead. There's too many things that we can have available now that we can do to change our situation. You just got to prepare your mind, get your spirit right, talk with God. Yes, that's what I said. Talk with God. That's the biggest and best source you can go to. Okay? So, and let's make this happen. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just so excited. And I just want us to be successful. And let's get on the frequencies. And let's change our lives, change our futures, take control back. Because like I said, whoever controls and masters the energies can master their lives, their circumstances to a high degree. Everything's still up to the creator, but he gives us the chance to master ourselves and master our circumstances. All right, people. So remember, reikiday.org. Go register, then sign up for the class. Use the code to get your discount. Come this Saturday night, 8:30. The name of the class is Abundance Circle. We're going to circulate abundance energy. Then we're going to learn to work with it. We're going to talk about the mindset because we got to change the mindset. You got to be able to look at things differently. As I said before, my brother Antoine, shout out to him, said that there's a difference between the millionaire mindset and the billionaire mindset. There's two different levels. So you got to understand, you got to be ready to change the level of your thinking to get the abundance that you want. And you got to define what the abundance is for you. What does it mean? Then go after it with a strong will and a knowing that you will fulfill whatever it is that you're after. All right, people. So I want to see you Saturday night, 8:30. Don't delay. Fill up the seats as fast as you can so that we can get the energy flowing and you can benefit and all of us in the class can benefit as well. We take the mindset and we shoot to the moon and beyond. All right, people. Peace.